Well, required is still open, but I'm going to go up to File, New, and once again I'm creating a blank HTML page with no layout. So I'm going to just go ahead and tell it to create. As before, I'm going to go to Modify Page Properties, HTML, and I'm going to give myself a background. And I'm thinking. I'm thinking I'm going to do somewhat of a dark grayish kind of background. And I'm going to call this my NAVIGATION-BAR. Might as well go to File, Save As. It is going to my folder, and I'm going to call this NAV-BAR. I wanted to make sure that I didn't call this nav spacebar or something like that. It could have been nav underscore bar, or I could have ran everything together just NAVBAR. But I need something that this will be easy to identify. Okay, my cursor is on the first line. I think I'll call this NAVIGATION bar ASIGNMENT. And I'll press the return key about 6 times to make sure that I have some space going down the page. Let me triple click here. I think I'll turn this into the ever popular H1. I think I'll go up to Format, tell it to center, and I guess that looks okay. Now I'm going to move my cursor down the page just a little bit, and the only reason I can move it down the page is because I did hit the return key about 4 or 5 times. If I wanted to go way down to the bottom of the page and click, it's not going there because, well, this isn't like InDesign or anything like that. You can't put a pixel or a letter in a specific place on the page. You just end up placing it wherever you created room for it, and we did that by hitting the return key. Okay, so I'm down the page a little ways. I'm going to go up to Insert. I'm going to insert an image. The image that I'm going to insert is in my folder on the file locker inside Images, and it's the nav bar. I'll go ahead and say Open. It wants the alternative text. I'll type that in, say OK, and there is my nav bar. Now I clicked off of it, and you can see when we did the GIF and we tried to turn white transparent, a few of those little white pixels were trapped on the edges, and it kind of looks a little spotty there. But actually it looks halfway decent. Now, the actual navigation part of this assignment, we're going to create that in the next video.